Hey there, in this Excel tutorial I want to show you how to use ISFORMULA function. This function is a very easy function of Excel. It just tells you whether the cell has a formula or not. So the question is when to use this formula. If you have a column or if you have a tabular data, you can use this function to know where there are formulas, or you can use this function inside other functions such as if function. Normally you can use the shortcut control tilde, but when you have large data and you cannot see it where there are formulas, then you have to use this function ISFORMULA A2. Okay, so I want to know if there is formula in A2. This function just takes one argument. I will drag this using autofill handle in the below cells, or you can also double click simply to fill the whole column with the formula. See, true, because this has 1 plus 1 formula. False, because this is just a text. Here I have used left, so that's why true. False, this is just a date. This is 10% value of the cell, not a formula, so false. So now you can apply filter and only keep true if you want to know where there are formulas. If you have tabular data like this, then you have to use this function. Then you can use it like this, ISFORMULA here like I'm using, and then select first leftmost cell of the data. In this case it is A2. You can use the autofill handle to drag to the right so that it will fill the cell reference of B2 cell. So this cell's reference B2, here it is A2. So now you just have to double click on this and you will have similar table of telling you where there are formulas. See, you can easily guess that this whole column has formulas, and here there are some cells having formulas. I hope you found this video helpful. See you in the next video.